This 2021 Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite Ultra-Lite 260 UML is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Ringgold, Virginia, 24586 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Danville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 30 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep 6, auxiliary battery, skylight, air conditioning, slide-out, TV, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, leveling jacks, refrigerator, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite Ultra-Lite 260 UML is 5,912 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.